Okay, so I messed up. I don't know how I did it, but somehow I lost the GoPro. And I've checked everywhere. I've literally turned the whole house upside down just to find it. I've checked the car. I've checked every possible person and anyway, can't find it. So it meant we upgraded. So let's open her up. Comes in this like pouch thing. We never had this when we bought the previous models. Oh wow, so pretty. Oh, it comes with a 3M, so we can stick it on the motorcycle. Not like we didn't lose the 360 on the motorcycle. Oh, it's quite a bit bigger actually. It's so satisfying peeling these things. So pretty. There we go. New camera. I do miss the old one. Yeah.
Why?
I liked my camera. Does the hinge come off? Oh, does it not come off anymore?
What doesn't come off anymore?
The hinge.
Huh?
Oh. I didn't know that.
What does it come off?
The hinge. So like with the 8, the hinge used to come off.
Oh.
Yeah.
You almost break it.
No. There we go. Let's listen. Okay, setup's been done. Let's go charge her and then hopefully use her soon. Maybe I should get a protector for the screens. Maybe I should read the instructions. Is there a spider on there?
Oh no.
Just check if there's a spider. If not, bring it inside.
Well, you don't want to bring the spider inside, do you?
No. But, I want our clothes. Okay. While that's charging, I have some Secret Santa stuff to wrap up. So let me go do that. So I need this one. I need some tape. Yep. Drawing things. Okay. I have. Ooh. Let's go tape some stuff up. I also bought these hats for tomorrow and a little shoot that we're going to be doing. Obviously, the cat has to sniff it first, give the approval. There we go. What do you think, Fluff? What do you think? Nope, not interested. Not interested. Okay, so I'm Secret Santa for my friend, and she loves crafts. So I ended up buying this pottery kit that looks pretty cool, actually. If she has good reviews, I might just buy it for myself. And I also bought her this macrame, I think how you say it, gearing kit. And it's because we already had like a limit of like $15, so like this ended up being exactly 15. That's why I got it. So yeah, I hope she likes it. Oh my god, it actually has lines on it so that you can cut straight. That's amazing. Came up for the win. Okay. I just gotta remember to bring it tomorrow. Okay, I'm back from the walk this morning, which was super nice because everybody got like the Secret Santa presents and it was really nice, and I'm glad that Emily liked mine, so that was good. I was feeling for banana bread. Well, I was actually feeling to go to one of the local cafes to get an acai bowl, but I thought I can just do something else at home. So we have leftover banana bread, so I toasted the banana bread. I have some butter that I'm gonna use as well, and I made myself a chai, kind of like a chai latte, but with oat milk. So let's see. Oh, that's sweet, but that's pretty good actually. So yeah, basically I'm running my own cafe for brekkie today, and then I'm going to try to get some work done and plan tomorrow. Update, it's not that good. I use this like vanilla powder, and the oat milk that I use is the Oatly vanilla one, and it's just way too sweet, and it didn't really dissolve properly, so you can see like all the like powder everywhere. No. Okay, good morning. This is the first shot on the GoPro 11. I'm going to be taking it with me to our adventure today. We're going to go for a hike and go to a creek, I believe. I'm not really sure, but I figured it's better taking this than my Sony. So, I'm already loving it. To Lamington National Park to hike down to one of the waterfalls. It was a short hike down the mountain in the rainforest, which was so pretty, we ended up stopping a few times to admire the nature around us. You had to get into the water a little and climb over this rock to get to the actual waterfall. If you say so. Please don't slip. Oh. Ow. Spent quite a lot of time here taking photos and videos, and we had a little picnic when some other people arrived. Okay, less graceful. After a while, we turned back around and went back up, and somehow we missed the sign telling us to go back up the mountain, and we ended up traveling around 40 minutes in the opposite direction before we realized we were on the wrong path. Definitely one of those moments that is funny now but wasn't so funny then. Yeah, my tripod fell off my backpack and I can't be bothered to put it back on. We made it back to the top and got ourselves a nice pizza and chocolate cake before driving home. Hey guys, that was pretty much it for the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!